Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying your exact HP model and current BIOS version. This matters because mismatched firmware can brick the machine. Open system information with msinfo 32 or reboot and press ESC then F10 to view BIOS. Once done, make sure the laptop is on AC power, battery charged, and your data is backed up. You don't need to install anything yet. The goal here is to collect model, product number, and the version string so you can download the correct update. Next, go to HP Support Assistant or the HP Support page and enter your model or product number to find BIOS updates. You must pick the exact match. Download the BIOS executable or USB recovery package and confirm the file name and size. Checksums help catch corruption. Once downloaded, disable BitLocker so the installer won't be blocked. Close all running apps to avoid interruptions, and if the package requires it, create a BIOS USB updater. Keep the laptop connected to run the BIOS installer from Windows or boot from your prepared USB updater and follow the prompts. You should see progress indicators and automatic reboots. Don't power off, close the lid, or interrupt the process. Interruptions can render the laptop unbootable. Once finished, boot to Windows and verify the new BIOS version in System Information. If something goes wrong, use HP BIOS Recovery. Connect AC, insert the BIOS USB. Then press and hold Windows plus B while powering on to trigger recovery. This single tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.